From AAAFx, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 initially took off during the Monday session, but didn't close all that well. You can see that as I record this, we've got about 7 minutes left in the cash session, and you can see big sell-off. Now, we are trying to hang on to the 50-hour EMA. I think the real question at this point is going to be the 5,000 level. This obviously has caught a lot of attention and of course will continue to do so. So when I look at this, I have to ask whether or not we can hang on to it. If we can't, it doesn't necessarily mean that we become bearish. It just suggests that we need to correct a little bit deeper. There are a couple of areas that I would be watching. Somewhere around 49.50. I think you could see buyers on that dip. Let me go ahead and correct this a little bit. 49.50. And 48.50 I think comes into play as well. This is a market that, quite frankly, is so far ahead of itself. I really don't know what to say other than we desperately need some type of break. That being said, we haven't really had it. And as I zoom down to the 4-hour chart, you can see how these levels play out on the chart. Any pullback has to be looked at as a potential buying opportunity at this point. And I think you've got a lot of FOMO trading. A lot of money managers are just simply chasing performance. And you need to keep in mind, this is really only 7 stocks. It's not 500 anymore. There are 7 stocks that move the indices in the United States. All the usual suspects, like your Nvidia, your Teslas, your Microsoft, Amazons, etc. So if they do well, the index does well. If they don't, the index does not do well. So we'll have to wait and see, but it does look like we might be getting ready to set up for a little bit of a pullback. That's a good thing. Let it pull back a day or two, then it offers value.